I have credits, but no cash.
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm wrong. But I thought you will get some red horse.
It's closed.
Oh, no.
The store is closed.
But if you have cash, we can go outside.
No, I have no cash. I have
Okay.
credits.
We can call it.
I did.
It's so lower.
It's call it the night.
Yeah, right. Let's call it a right.
Just take the camera.
Wait.
Oh!
Sorry, I'm done. For the dog.
No, it's for you.
This food is for the dog. The dog is over there.
This
I'm
is
sorry. I'm sorry. The leftover is for the dog. I hope you understand.
roast beef.
Just in the camera. You can take a shot.
I'll wash my hands inside.
Okay.
You have 2 hands, the left and the right.
Put them up high.
So dirty and bright.
He's still eating.
And
See the leftover
for the dog,
for the dog.
Azul.
Let's see. Where's the dog?
Yeah.
There.
Bark, dog.
Dogart, kill. Dogart. Dogart, kill. Where's the zoom? The zoom is missing.
Where's the zoom, ano? The zoom.
It's on the left side.
Oh,
Your dad is drinking red tea.
hello, baby. I'm drinking this red iced tea.
Red bread.
It's good for my health.
Inana, I have no baso, so I drink in the kitchen. No, that's gross.
For a while. I will have my oh, I'm finishing up. What's in English? I don't know. What?
You're snorkeling. Snorking.
Snorkeling? Is that right? Snorkeling?
Snorking.
Is that a game? Or a hobby? Snorkeling.
Snorking.
Snorkeling? I think that's a hobby. Oh, snorkeling again. Okay, baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl. Baby girl, what color is this?
It's
This
red!
color red. And I'm gonna do it like this. Like that.
I will focus you. There's no cigarette left.
What do you call this? A cigarette. It's a cigarette, baby girl. I'm gonna light my cigarette. Wait, 1, 2, 3, okay.
Blow the cigarette.
It's great,
Oh.
Daddy! It's great!
Great!
It's great, Daddy! Better go home right now!
Camera to my friend, Paul.
It's great!
Okay, we're done.
We're done. I will stop it. Or $10. Oh, my $10. Where?
There's
There.
$10.
Oh, there.